Growers chasing increased germination rates, crop emergence and vigor are singing the praises of Baldan's new single-disc combine. The Baldan SD-CXP 5000 boasts new openers and a poly seed box in the 2017 model and is proving ideal for pasture renovation and cereal crops. Growers are finding the machine results in good seed placement and consistent depth across variable soil types. Hailing from Brazil, the Baldan range of ag equipment is distributed in Australia by Serafin Machinery.
Today we've got the Baldan SD-CXP 5000, which is the new 2017 model single disc combine. It comes in a 24-row design. Been very popular for a variety of customers across a wide area of Australia. So we've got SDs in Queensland, all through that sort of central area where farmers are looking for a heavy machine to be able to sow pasture for their cattle farms. Inquiry level has been dramatically increased. Pasture renovation is probably the biggest area where we're starting to see an increase because it is very versatile. The machine, you can sow a cereal crop, go straight into a pasture crop. It has got the ability to sow deep enough to sow beans and legumes, etc. So you do have a wide variety of options with the machine to get it to work in the right situation.
The SD-CXP 5000 features discs measuring 20 inches by 6 millimeters, placed at a 7-degree angle. Row spacings are set at 190 millimeters, but Serafin is able to modify the unit to suit other spacing requirements. The machine comes with poly seed and fertilizer boxes as standard and has a sowing width of 4.5 meters.
We do have an order in the pipeline to bring in some more machines from Brazil. That'll be a 3-metre configuration as well, the SD-CXP 3000, which will benefit the customers looking for a narrow transport machine. This machine you still need a escort to get around. You can get it to work in the majority of situations and soil types by depth adjustment, pressure adjustment, adjustments on the row units themselves, so that you can get them to work in sandy conditions, clay soils, rocky ground. You can get them to work in a variety of situations.
A key feature of the Baldan range is the gearbox that controls the fertilizer rate.
It has 62 different settings and will allow you to get a wide variety of different fertilizer rates depending on your requirements. It's no hidden fact that a disc seeder is quite high maintenance compared to a time machine. So with this in mind, we have kept the maintenance of the row units themselves down to 2 greasing points of approximately 120 hours per grease and 1 yearly grease point on the depth handle adjustment. Everything else has been reduced.
A Series 2 is already in the pipeline for an autumn 2018 release, featuring increased seed box capacity and narrower spacing.
They're the two main sort of things that we're looking at, because that's the feedback we're getting from our customers. That'll be in the 3-metre and the 4.5-metre version as well.